Or maybe maybe the gun show song would be like, welcome to the gun show where a lot of guns will be shooting all around you, ready to kill you. Trust me, all the songs will be horror. Because this is where horror goes. Usually I'll be holding this fake gun that broke. I can't even do a fake trick. But at least I can pretend it's reloaded. And what a gun show should be like if it's a magician. It should float all over the place. Oh my god. Yeah. That's exactly what's happening in RPGs and private RPG. Right now, somehow Plants vs. Zombies people keep getting in the game. Yeah, right now, Snapdragon got in last. Chomper got in second. Pea Shooter got in first. What the heck? Why was I doing that? Look at my legs. Oh my god. I wonder what that sounds like in the video.